morning, students. Today we start our chapter number 6, exercise 6a. In my previous video I explained you about simplification, the basic concept of simplification, and which rule we have to follow in simplification. The rule name is BODMAS. I explained you the meaning of BODMAS in my previous video. Now in this video we apply this BODMAS in our questions. So let us start our question number 1. 21 minus 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. Now here we see the BODMAS. Here B means bracket, O means off, but all these two things are not in question number 1. So we have to start the next number, that is D for division. And in this question here we have the division part. So our first step is to divide these two numbers. So now we write 21 minus, when we divide 12 by 3 then we get 4. And now the next number is as it is. After division we have to do the multiplication. So here is the multiplication symbol. So we multiply 4 by 2. Now 21 minus 4 2s are 8. Now after the multiplication, addition, but here is not addition. So we apply the next step, that is a subtraction. Here is the subtraction symbol, and after 21 में से जब 1 subtract करेंगे then we get 13, and 13 is your answer. Clear this one? Now we do the next question number 3, and in the question number 3 we have to given 13 minus में small bracket 12 minus 6 divided by 3. Now here the first number is B for bracket. In bracket we have the many brackets like vernacular, small bracket, curly bracket and large bracket. Here we have to given the small bracket. So first of all we solve the bracket, and in the bracket the operation which we have to given. Now here we have to given the division. So first of all we have to solve the division part. Now we write 13 minus 12 minus, when we divide 6 by 3 we get a 2. Now after solving the first operation in the bracket we have to solve the second operation, and the second operation is subtraction. And after solving we write 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10. Now this number comes out of the bracket because here is only one number. So 13 minus 10, that is equal to 3. So 3 is our answer. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now we start our question number 9. In this question we have to given the numbers in mixed fraction. So our first step is to solve the mixed fraction. Now let us start. 7 3 is 21 plus 1 22 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Off means ऑफ ही राइट करेंगे अभी. 5 2 जा 10 प्लस 1 11 by 5 प्लस 8 1 जा 8 प्लस 3 11 by 8. Now divide 4 2 जा 8 plus 3 11 by 4, and then minus 2 1 जा 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Now here we have to given BODMAS. B means bracket. In this question there is not a bracket. Now the next word is O. O means off. And here we have to see the off, और off का meaning होता है multiply. So let us write 22 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Off means multiply. 11 by 5 plus 11 by 8 divided by 11 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Now in this 11 2s are 22. First we solve this step because this is the related to the off. That's why we write here 22 by 3 divided by 22 by 15 plus 11 by 8 divided by 11 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Now after this we have to solve the division part, and division part is in two places. So first of all we write all these numbers here. 22 by 3 डिवाइड को जब मल्टीप्लाई में रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे देन इट बिकम्स 15 by 22 प्लस 11 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 11 and minus 3 by 2. Now here we see that this 22 is divisible by 22, and now 3 5s are 50. Now here also 11 1 ja 11 and 4 2s are 8. Now here our number becomes 5 by 1 plus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. Now we have to add these two numbers. These numbers here LCM is 2, so we write multiply 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 by 2 and a minus 3 by 2. Now it becomes a like fraction. Like fraction में denominator same होगा तो आपका LCM as it is 2 आ जाएगा. So we write here 2 and 11 minus 3 as it is here. After subtracting we get 8 by 2. Now 8 is divisible by 2, so we write 2 4s are 8 and your answer becomes 4. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now we start our next question number 14, and here we have to given the curly bracket and the vinculum and small bracket. So first of all we have to solve the bracket. Now the question is in the mixed fraction, so our first step is to convert it into improper fraction. 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 4 24 by 5 divided by 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2, 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, small bracket close and curly bracket close. Now here the first of all we have to solve the vinculum. अब देखिए vinculum में यहाँ पर आपका जो vinculum का साइन है वो ओनली 1 by 4 और minus 1 by 4 पे है. So first of all we have to solve this. So let us we write here 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2 5 by 4 minus, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स. 4 5 20, यहाँ पर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई और यहाँ 4 से मल्टीप्लाई. 5 × 5 minus 4. Now in the next step we have to solve this. 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2 small bracket 5 by 4 minus 5 minus 4 that is equal to 1 by 20. Now here we have to solve this bracket. Now 4 और 20 जब आप इसका LCM लेंगे तो आपके पास जो LCM आएगा वो आएगा 20. So we write here 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2 and 5 और 4 के LCM आ गया. 4 और 20 का LCM आ गया 20. 4 5 20, तो यहाँ पर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई और यहाँ 1 से मल्टीप्लाई. So 5 5 25 and 1 1 1. Now here we write 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2. अब देखिए 1/2 और इस ब्रैकेट के बीच में कोई भी साइन नहीं है, इट मीन्स यहाँ पर आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई करने पर आया आपके पास 24/20। जब आपने इसे सॉल्व किया 2 12 एंड 4 3 12, 4 5 20। नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप 24/5 डिवाइडेड बाय 11/5 माइनस में 3/5। नाउ दीज आर लाइक फ्रैक्शन। लाइक फ्रैक्शन में जो आपका एलसीएम है वो एज इट इज आ जाएगा, तो 5 ये आ गया, 11 माइनस 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू 24/5 डिवाइडेड बाय 8/5। अब आप यहाँ पर डिवाइड है तो डिवाइड को आप क्या करेंगे, रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे। रेसिप्रोकल करने पर आपके पास नंबर आया है 24/5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5/8। 5 से 5 कैंसिल, 8 3 जा 24, तो ये नंबर आ गया आपका 3 एंड दिस इज योर आंसर। नाउ आई होप you understand the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.